All right. Hi. So please introduce yourself.
Yeah.
So we're here with the Outing
Yeah.
Intelligent Technology.
Yeah, I'm Gia, and I'm from Aotingbots. We are mainly focused on waterless cleaning robots. It's just for commercial use, so it can be used for many places. For example,
It's follow me, or how does it work?
Sorry?
It's just it's got cameras. It's got cleaning system.
No, it has sensors, but it doesn't have any camera to take pictures or videos. And when anything appears in front of it, it will just stop immediately because it has sensors in the front and on the sides, so it will just go to another way. Yeah.
How good is it?
Sorry.
It's like industrial. It can do a lot of cleaning.
Yeah.
Can it clean the whole Hong Kong fair?
I think it depends on which area you want to clean, but it definitely can be used for many big places. For example, the hotels, office, supermalls, schools, hospitals, and so on.
And then you can open there and you can just ride on it, or how does it work?
Yeah, so basically you can put this handle on, so it will stop immediately, and it will convert to the manual mode.
And then
directly.
you can log in?
Yeah, you can log in and you will go to the home page. So it has two modes. One is manual, one is auto. Normally, of course, you won't do the motor one. And the manual one is you can choose the different mode you want. Maybe this one is the hard surface. So you can just can start clean. Then you can just push this,
Nice.
Yeah. So it starts cleaning.
It just goes where I want it to go?
Yeah, exactly.
And what does make it special compared to other cleaning robots?
Yeah, that's a good question. The main difference is the waterless cleaning technology. Because traditionally, a lot of companies, they are providing the products which has water to clean the floor, but this one doesn't have any water. So that means it's more safer, more efficient, and much easier to maintain.
But how good is it clean without water?
Because we have this side brushes and some rolls underneath, so it can easily use the technology to do the mopping, vacuuming, and sweeping in one solution.
Nice. Is it in mass production? Is it many people use it? Where is it for sale?
Yeah, so basically you can have a look here. We already cover over 20 more countries in the world. And it can be in the USA, Hong Kong, Asia, Chile, you name it. So I believe there are lots of partners. They find this product is very interesting and efficient.
And there's different
This is the side brush. So you can touch it. It's very soft. So it can easily clean all the dust and dry rubbish on the floor.
Is it expensive to add these?
No, it's not expensive. I think just normal price, definitely affordable.
All right. So all these are special designs?
Yeah, it's all
special
the parts.
Connectors?
Yeah.
All right. And there's also the filter that you can change?
Yeah, this is a high power filter to clean the dust. Yeah.
All right. And it's good for railway stations, for company conference buildings, office buildings, schools.
Yeah, exactly.
How many do you manufacture so far? How many you sell? Is it a secret?
Yeah, you can. But we have this. You can see, we already cover over
32 million square meter clean.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
147,000 hours.
Yeah, it's the clean time.
All right.
Yeah.
Is there a price for MOQ? How does it work?
Yeah, it depends on the needs and the area.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.